Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of Remodel
Remodel
Your
your
Thinking.
thinking. So if you are a home chef and your kitchen is just not working for you right now, then listen up. We've got some tips for you today about how to make the ultimate home kitchen for the home chef. We're going to make your culinary dreams come true. So, bippity boppity boo.
So the first tip, and really the foundation of any kitchen for a home chef, are the appliances. We really do prefer the higher end appliances. I guess you call them more the luxury brand. And it's not just because they're a luxury brand, but they do perform better. If you're cooking, the temperature is much more exact. If you're using a pan, then the heat distributes evenly on a higher end appliances. And they are definitely built to last and to be used all the time. So it's much better for a home chef to have that, because things like temperature and all that really make a difference. Me, I'm not as good of a cook, so I don't know about that, but I know good food.
Yeah. Tip 2 for making your culinary dreams come true in your own home kitchen is you can have the most beautiful kitchen in the world, but if it's not working for you, then it's not going to be the greatest kitchen for a home chef. So your functional layout is super, super important. Think about how you cook, how you prep, how you serve, even how you clean. All of those are really big considerations when you're planning the layout of a fantastic kitchen for a home chef. The other thing is think about like zones. So even like in a professional kitchen, where are you going to cook? Where are you going to prep? A zone for each different things. You don't want to have to walk across your kitchen 5 times just to make pasta. So one last thing I would say about a functional layout is maybe even consider 2 islands, because if you have more than one cook in the kitchen and you're bumping into each other all the time, it might be beneficial to think about having 2 islands.
So tip number 3, and I already touched on the higher end appliances, but really what's come along a long way these days is tech. So now you have refrigerators that have a screen built in where you can write your grocery list, and even you can scan the fridge and know what you're low on. Most appliances now are Wi-Fi connected. So say you're coming home, you want to get the oven preheated, or you're going to be late, you got to turn it off, or you got to keep something warm. That's a really big deal. And even nowadays, some refrigerators come with an ethylene filter, and that's basically a gas that fruits and veggies put off as they rot. So it'll help keep your fruits and veggies fresher longer. And that it's amazing how much more innovative and technologically advanced appliances are, and they just make everything easy.
The last and final tip we want to share with you about having a fabulous kitchen for a home chef is your finishing touches. So think about beautiful countertops such as a quartzite countertop, or very nice backsplash like a marble backsplash. Even those are just wonderful and very luxurious touches for a home chef. Even something like your decorative lighting, that is like earrings.
That's what I was going to say.
It's perfect. It's a nice touch. And your cabinet hardware too, that's something you don't want to forget. So all of those pulled together are fantastic for just those finishing touches on your culinary wonderful kitchen. Please. Thanks.
Hopefully you got a few tips today on what we think is very important for a kitchen for a home chef, and how to make it more functional and also more attractive and more up to date. If you like us, please share it with your friends. Go online and give us a thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.